Good morning, Steve Freed with the morning grain comments. Happy Earth Day. Markets overnight are kind of mixed. We got beans down 2 cents, 11.47. The low was 11.44. The high was 11.54. We got soybean oil gaining on soybean meal. Corn unchanged about 4.33 with a range of 4.31 to 4.35. Wheat's up 7 cents at 5.57 near the session highs. The fact that Middle East tension might be somewhat diminished between Iran and also Israel, and that there was a House approval, $93 billion for aid for Ukraine, Israel, and Taiwan. Got stock market higher. The dollar is higher, while crude and gold are lower. Gold is especially sharply lower. The overnight news, I guess, basically from a weather standpoint, U.S. Midwest should get a rain later this week. The southern plains remains mostly dry. Southern Russia, eastern Ukraine also remains dry. And people are monitoring some flooding in China and the impact that may have on the demand there. South America, still looking at some dryness in the second safrinha crop, and Argentina has reduced its corn crop due to disease, and the soybean crop is in question now due to too much rain. As far as the numbers are concerned, on Friday, some of the private estimators estimated the U.S. soybean crop up 20 million bushels from the USDA due to lower export demand. The USDA probably won't raise the crush because they're feeling that there may not be product demand for a higher crush. We also noted that next year people are using carryout of 500 million bushels with a record U.S. crop. In the corn, the carryout's down about 50 million bushels due to a higher domestic usage. Well, next year you're looking at a 2.2 billion bushel carryout. Despite the lower acres, you're looking at a trend yield close to 181. And in the wheat, you're looking at a carryout around 750, and the key will be the crop. Most are estimating a crop around 1886 versus this year's 1812. So again, choppy trade. Beans a little bit lower, off-session lows. Oil gaining on meal, corn about unchanged in a narrow range, and wheat up 7 cents.